So he's off today, the dog. He's been with us for just about a month and a half, hasn't you? He's going to the meat factory. You're going to the meat factory, aren't you? No, he's not. You know, he's not. He's been adopted by our landlord, and really nice fella, and he's gonna look after him, give him a really nice home on his finca, so I'll be running around with him all day as he's pottering around. So that's really good news, man, because this dog is killing my wife with her allergies. Aren't you? She got a bit used to you though, hasn't she? But he's been as good as gold, man. Such a good dog. And you can see, like, look how he's filled out. A month and a half of meals every day. He's looking really good. I've been putting a bit of olive oil in his food as well, and cod liver oil sometimes. And I've noticed his coats come up nice. It's what we used to do for his dogs when I was a kid. We used to have a Alsatian and Rottweiler. But yeah, well, I don't really want to be tied down with a dog at the minute, you know. But the good news is that we'll see him every now and again when we go, and we can go and visit him maybe, or when my landlord has to pop back to the UK, we made the agreement that we'll look after him for a week or two, you know, if he needs helping out that way. So every now and again we're gonna get visited by you, aren't we, lad? And he's called him Taz, so he's not dog anymore. He's been named after the Tasmanian wolf. He says he looks a little bit like a Tasmanian wolf. What do you think? Look at him with tail. That's because he's a very nervous dog, but he's got some kind of stripes here. Aren't you very nervous, lad? I reckon he's been a country dog, and I don't think his old owners were partial to a good beating, to be honest, because he's quite nervous, aren't you? The other day I was taking him for a walk, and I grabbed a stick, thinking he might want to run after it. He ran the other way, so he probably thought stick means I've been bad and I'm going to get punished. So I had to throw it away. Thought it might have been a nice little exercise for him, but no stick for you, eh, Taz? So that's the latest. He's been leeching off us for a month and a half, and be nice to have the house back, to be honest. You know, during that time we've been bitten to death by fleas. Got rid of the fleas finally. There was only a few, but them few were causing us a nightmare, real nightmare. Horrible. Every time I went to bed, fleas all over his body. Had to check the cat because they'd got onto his cat as well. But that's all over now. But yeah, he knows the landlord. He stayed with him once. We had to go to Cordoba for the day because we're looking to move to Cordoba, so we've been looking at some properties up there, and we needed to go for the day, and my landlord looked after him for the night and a day, so he knows him. He was feeding him leftover pizza and stuff. Well, not leftover, he was eating the pizza as well, but you know, so he's going to spoil him, you know. We're going to get on well, aren't you? So there, quick update to let you know what's happening with him. It'll not be the last time we see him anyway, so when we do see him, I'll make sure to get a little bit of video, where even if it's just a short's worth. I'll admit as well, I'm a little tiny bit sad because I feel like he's got used to us in this month and a half. You know, he's perked up, he's started barking a little bit, just a little bit, meaning he's obviously settled in, he feels like he's got a territory, and wagging the tail all the time, aren't you, lad? And now he's going, but he'll forget us, I think, pretty soon, won't you? You'll forget us quickly, lad. Once you get in fed all them leftover sausages and pizzas and stuff. Yeah. You'll forget we even existed. Ooh. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, he liked that brushing, didn't he? Oh, he's gone. Gallivanting off. Doesn't know his name yet. Hey, you going, are you? You going? You gonna miss me, buddy? I don't know. Feel bad. Little bit bad. Come on. Let's get you all cleaned up, lad. So you look all nice and clean. Don't want you getting sent back. Do we? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Where are you going? Oh, he's gone. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next update. I've got loads of videos I need to get on with. Show you how the dragon fruit cuttings are doing. We took a few months ago. My nepanthes, I've got to repot them. Got a video about nettles, the benefits of growing nettles, why everybody should be growing some nettles or at least going out and collecting them, what you can do with them. Hopefully you'll find this future up and coming content interesting. Guys, I'll see you later. Take it easy.